Hazrat Uqaba bin Amir radiyallahu anhu states, our duty was to graze the camels. On my turn, when I returned in the evening after grazing the camels, I saw Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam addressing the people standing. Whosoever performs the ablution well, then gets up and performs 2-unit prayer with an attentive heart, paradise will become a must for him. I said, how nice is this hadith? All of a sudden, a voice reached me that the previous hadith was nicer than it. When I looked there, it was Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. He said, I have seen you coming right now. Before it, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever performs ablution nicely, then says, I bear witness that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's bondsman and his apostle. All 8 doors of paradise are opened for him. He may enter through the door he pleases. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 552.